Let us start the session. Today we are going to start triangles based case study based questions from chapter number 6. Right. So let us start with the case study question 1. Rahul is studying in class 10th standard. He is making a kite to fly it on Sunday. Few questions came to his mind while making the kite. Give answer to his question by looking at the figure. So this is the figure. Okay. So first question, Rahul tied the sticks at what angles to each other? So you have to find this angle. And this is kite. Okay, which type of quadrilateral? Kite. And that there is one property of diagonal of a kite, that the diagonals intersect at right angle, right? So
Yes.
what is the angle then?
90
90
degrees.
degree, right? In this kite shape, diagonals bisect each other, not bisect each other, intersect लिखेंगे, ठीक है? intersect each other at 90 degree, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ एक ही डायगोनल यहाँ पे bisect हो रहा है, ये वाला, दोनों नहीं हो रहा है. So the correct option is C bit. Okay. So now we are moving toward the next question. Which is the correct similarity criteria applicable for smaller triangles at the upper part of this kite? So ये वाला कार्ड देखो, ये दोनों, this two. सो देखो ध्यान से, दिस टू, एक मिनट पूरा मैं मिटा दे रहा हूँ. दिस टू sides are equal and these two angles are equal and this is common. So which criteria is applicable here?
SAS.
Right. So SAS is the correct answer. Now the next, sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9 and corresponding medians of these triangles are in the ratio. See, we have studied that the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. Theorem, ठीक है? 6.6 theorem था. उसी का हम लोग corollary भी किए थे. The ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding median. That means the corresponding median is equals to the ratio of corresponding median is equals to the ratio of corresponding sides. सो साइड का अगर रेशियो दिया हुआ है 4:9, सो मीडियन का भी रेशियो 4:9 होगा. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 4. In a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. This theorem is called dash.
Pythagoras theorem.
Converse of Pythagoras.
कन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. कई लोग यही लिखते हैं बाय मिस्टेक, लेकिन करेक्ट आंसर है इसका कन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. राइट. ओके. सो अगर मान लो स्टेटमेंट ऐसा रहता, इन अ राइट ट्रायंगल द स्क्वायर ऑफ लॉन्गेस्ट साइड या हाइपोटेन्यूज इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ अदर टू साइड, देन ओनली यू कैन राइट पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. सो यहाँ पे ये ट्रायंगल दिया हुआ है ना, ट्रायंगल इज नॉट ए राइट ट्रायंगल. यहाँ पे हम लोग को राइट एंगल बोल रहे हैं. Okay, fine. So now we are moving toward the last question. What is the area of the kite formed by two perpendicular sticks of length 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter? Right. तो एक बार देखो, मैं इसका एक रफ फिगर बना रहा हूँ मैं काइट का, ध्यान से देखो. राइट. तो ये वाला जो लेंथ है, दिस लेंथ इज गिवन 8. इसको मैं D1 ले रहा हूँ, चलो D1, और इसको D2. ओके. सो काइट का जो फॉर्मूला है हाफ इंटू D1 इंटू D2 होता है. उसको हम लोग, या तो एक काम करो, यू कैन यूज दिस ट्राइंगल, द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. इफ यू ऐड बोथ, then you will get half into D1 into D2, right? So the lengths of the sticks are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter are, or length of diagonals we can say. So area of kite, this is the formula, half into D1 into D2, right? So D1 is 6 and D2 is 8. So 6 into 8 by 2. एक हम लोग यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर रहे हैं 8 को 2 से. So we are getting 6 into 4, that is 24 centimeter square. So which option is the correct one?
Option
C. Right. Fine. So now we are moving toward the case study question number 2. Right. This is the case study question number 2. Points A and B. The same case study question is given in CBSE question bank. Right. जो अभी समर में जो पब्लिश हुआ था, और ये मैं पिछले साल बनाया था. सो थोड़ा सा स्टेटमेंट चेंज कर दिए वो लोग. सेम केस स्टडी क्वेश्चन, ओनली दे चेंज द जो भी मतलब केस स्टडी बनाया उस समय ये इससे जो लिया होगा डाटा, तो केवल स्टेटमेंट थोड़ा बहुत इधर मॉडिफाइड करते हैं, बट सेम क्वेश्चन, right? So point A and B are on the opposite edge of a pond. So this is a pond, okay, as shown in below figure. To find the distance between the 2 points, Ram makes a right angled triangle here using rope connecting B with another C here at a distance of 12 meter, right, connecting C to point D at a distance of 40 meter and from point C, and then connecting D to point A, which is 30 meter from the point D, such that angle ADC is equals to 90 degree. So whether figure is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, which property of geometry we have to use to find this distance AC? Wait, that is the next question. That is the next question. Similarity of triangles, or Thales theorem, or quadratic equation, or Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem.
Right. The correct answer is Pythagoras theorem. Right. Now we need to find the distance AC. Okay. So AC निकालने के लिए एक साइड 40 था और दूसरा साइड 30 था. So we will use Pythagoras theorem, right? So what is the distance AC? So ADC is the right angled triangle, right angled at D. So by Pythagoras theorem we get AC square is equals to 30 square plus 40 square, and we'll get 900 plus 16 square, that is 2500. So 2500 का square कितना होगा? 50 meter, right? Very good. So the correct option is option first option, right? Now we are moving toward the next question. Which is the following does not form a Pythagorean triplet? So देखो 24, 24, 7, 25 ये Pythagorean triplet है. This is also Pythagorean triplet. 5, 12, 13 this is also Pythagorean triplet. Only एक ही odd combination मुझे दिख रहा है जो Pythagorean triplet नहीं है, right? जो the correct option is fourth one, 21, 20, 28. Why? Because the square of the longest side, that is 28 square, is not equals to the sum of the square of other two sides. Okay, so now we are moving towards the next question. Find the length AB. Okay, so हम लोग का जो फिगर था उसमें हम लोग AC निकाले हैं 50 मीटर, राइट? 50 मीटर, और जो CD जो लेंथ था दैट इज 12 मीटर. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? BC. हाँ, यस, BC. AC 50 मीटर है और BC 12 मीटर है. तो इफ वी सबट्रैक्ट दिस टू विल गेट AB. 50 minus 12.
38 meters.
Yes, we are getting 38 meter. So this is the correct answer. Right. Now we are moving toward the next question. Find the length of the rope used. ठीक है, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. देखो जो फिगर था उसको एक रफली मैं बता रहा हूँ ऐसा. ये देखो यहाँ से यहाँ तक पॉन्ड था, ये यहाँ पे रोप नहीं है, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज 12 एंड दिस इज 40 नहीं 30 था. 30 की 30 40 एक है, ये शायद ये 30 था. तो ओनली द सम ऑफ दिस टू साइड्स वी हैव टू फाइंड टू गेट द लेंथ ऑफ द रोप. दैट इज 40 plus 30 plus 12, and the correct answer is 82.
82.
Right. Option, third option. Right. Now we are moving toward the next case study, question number 3. On one day, a poor girl of height 90 centimeters is looking for a lamp post for completing her homework. As in her area, power is not there, and she finds that the same at some distance away from her home. After completing the homework, she is walking away from the base of the lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. The lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground. ठीक है. So this figure, first question, find her distance from the base of the lamp post. Right, that means we need to find BD यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक. So time is given and speed is given, right? So figure पहले मैं explain कर दूँ. Let AB is the lamp post, CD is the height of that girl, and after 4 seconds the distance is BD. Okay, and DE को मैं X ले रहा हूँ. We will use it later. Now her distance from the base after 4 seconds is speed into time, that is 1.42 meter per second into 4 seconds. That is 4.8 meter. So the correct option is C.
C.
Right. Now the next question. Find the correct similarity criteria applicable for the triangles ABE and CDE in the given figure. So ध्यान से देखो, these two angles are equal, 90 degree each, and this is common to both the triangles. So which criteria is applicable here?
A is
Right. First one AA criteria. क्यों? क्योंकि एंगल इसमें एंगल B और एंगल D इक्वल है, each in 90 degree, and this is common angle. So therefore these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. Right. Now the next question. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Her shadow हम लोग इसको x लेते हैं. This is x and this is 4.8 we have taken. Okay. Right. So now just now we have shown that the two triangles are similar, right? That is triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. So the corresponding sides are proportional. So BE upon DE is equals to AB upon CD. BE हो जाएगा 4.8 plus x, DE is x, and AB is given 3.6 and CD is given 0.9. 36 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है, तो 3.6 नहीं, एक मिनट, 36 नहीं, 360 3.6 मीटर दिया हुआ है. गर्ल का हाइट दिया हुआ था 90 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा 3.6 अपॉन 0.9. इसको अगर हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे, 36 अपॉन 9 आ रहा है तो 4 आ जाएगा. नाउ इफ यू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई you will get 4.8 plus x is equals to 4x. Now shift 3 to this side, it will become minus. So 4x minus x हो जाएगा. x को अगर इस साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे तो माइनस हो जाएगा. 4x minus x will be 3x, and finally 4.8 divided by 3 will be
1.6.
1.6, and the correct option is 1.6. Which option is the correct one here?
Option D.
D.
Option D, right. So hence the shadow of the girl after walking for 4 seconds is 1.6 meter long. Now we are moving toward the next question. Areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio 9:16. Find the ratio of corresponding sides of this triangle. So we know that the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding square of their corresponding sides. So हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to take the square root. Okay, 9 और 16 का square root लेना पड़ेगा. The square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of 16 is 4. So the required ratio is 3:4. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Question number 5th. Find the ratio AC is to CE. So AC is to CE. This is to this. So first what we will do, we will take the ratio, क्योंकि दोनों triangle को already हम लोग similar proof कर चुके हैं. So AE upon CE is equals to BE upon DE, and BE हो जाएगा 4.8 plus 1.6, and DE we got already 1.6. So 6.4 upon 1.6 is equals to 4. This is AE upon CE, right? So फिर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो AE हो जाएगा 4 times CE, right? Now how will you write AE? AC plus CE. Now shift CE to this side, so it will become minus CE, right? So minus CE मतलब 3 times CE हो जाएगा. So हम लोग को ये रेशियो निकालना है, तो CE को फिर नीचे शिफ्ट करो, here cross multiply, and this will be 3 by 1. So AC by CE will be 3 by 1, and the correct ratio is 3:1, and B is the correct answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 4. Nazima is flying fishing in a stream. The tip of her fishing rod is 1.8 meter above the surface of the water, and the fly at the end of the string rests on the water 3.6 meter away and 2.4 meter from the point directly under the tip of the rod. She is pulling string at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. Nazima's friend observe her position and draw a rough sketch by using A, B, C and D position of tips, a tip point directly under the tip of a rod, fish, and Nazima's position. See the below figure, this one. This is the rough figure. Assuming that her string from the tip of her rod to the fly is taut, answer the following questions. Right. So now we are moving toward the first question. What is the length AC? So ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का 2.4 है और ये height 1.8 है. And we need to find AC. How will you find AC?
Using Pythagoras theorem.
Right. By using Pythagoras theorem, we will get AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB is given 1.8 and the value of BC is given 2.4. Right. So 1.8 18 square होता है 324. So ये हो जाएगा 3.24 और 24 का स्क्वायर होता है 5.76 2.4 का. ओके, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. सो वी आर गेटिंग 9. We are getting 9. So what is the value of AC?
3
meters.
Right. So the correct option is the second one. Now we are moving toward the next question. What is the length of string pulled in 12 seconds? So speed is given. Speed दिया हुआ है 5 centimeter per second. Okay. And the time is also given 12 seconds. So दोनों को multiply करना है. Speed into time. Distance is equals to speed into time. So string pulled in 12 seconds is equals to 12 into 5, that is 60 centimeter. Okay, 60 centimeter means 0.6 meter. And the correct option is the third one. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now see, the length of the string we got 3 meter. Okay, and this much length of string she already pulled in 12 seconds. So keep in your mind. So next question, what is the length of string after 12 seconds? So जितना वो pull किए, that we have to subtract. Okay. So the length of the string that will be AC minus string pulled by Nazima in 12 seconds, that is 0.6. So 3 minus 0.6. This is the figure. 3 minus 0.6. That will be 2.4 meter. So ये जो diagram है ये after pulling that 0.6 meter, this is the diagram. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
the correct
sir.
option is the first one. Now what will be the horizontal distance of the fly from her after 12 seconds? So ध्यान से देखो, horizontal distance पूछा है. Horizontal distance, that means we need to find this one, PB. उसके बाद 1.2 ऐड करना है. 12 सेकंड्स के बाद टिप यहाँ पर आ गया क्योंकि उसने स्ट्रिंग को लपेट लिया. ओके, सो दिस इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम हर. क्लियर? मीन्स जहाँ से वो टिप जो है, डायग्राम क्लियर है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
राइट. यहाँ पर फ्लाई है और यहाँ पे ये टिप है. सो ये फ्लाई का जो हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस है फ्रॉम द ये फ्लाई, वो वाला हम लोग को पीबी निकालना है. तो पीबी हम लोग निकालेंगे ऐसे पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से. राइट. दैट इज AB स्क्वायर प्लस BP स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू AP स्क्वायर. राइट. नाउ विल सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑल द वैल्यूज. 1.8 स्क्वायर है AB स्क्वायर और AP स्क्वायर इज 2.4 स्क्वायर. Now this is 3.24 and this is 5.76. We will substitute, and after subtracting we are getting 2.52. 2.52 ये repeat हो गया. Okay, 2.52 का square root approximately 1.58 होता है. Approximately, not exactly. And now we have to find the horizontal distance from Nazima. तो ये 1.2 भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा इसमें. Okay, so 1.58 plus 1.2 is finally we got 2.78 meter. Right, and the correct option is the second one. This is very good question. Okay, now the next, the given problem is based on which concept? Triangles, coordinate geometry, height and distance? None of this.
Triangles.
Triangles, right. Okay, so now we are moving toward the next case study based question, number 5. Anjali places a mirror on level ground to determine the height of a tree. See this figure. This is the mirror position. Okay, she stand at a certain distance here so that she can see the top of the tree reflected from the mirror. यहाँ से रिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा है, देखो ये टॉप ऑफ द ट्री है, ठीक है, वो ऐसे पोजीशन में खड़ी है कि उसको ट्री का टॉप दिख रहा है मिरर पे रिफ्लेक्ट होके. Anjali's eye is 2 meter above the ground and the distance of Anjali and the tree from the mirror are 1.4 meter, this one, and 2.8 meter tree ka hai, this one. Okay, now based on this situation, we have to solve the questions. So first question, what are the two triangles formed in the above diagram which are used to calculate the height of the tree? First one, triangles QMM dash, that is wrong. फर्स्ट वाला ही रॉन्ग, देखो मैं एलिमिनेशन यूज कर रहा हूँ, ये गलत हो गया. नाउ सेकंड PQM ये करेक्ट है, तो सेकंड वाले में जा रहा हूँ. RSM ये भी करेक्ट है, सो मेरे को यहीं पे ऑप्शन मिल गया. कौन सा? ऑप्शन बी, राइट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टेट द क्राइटेरिया ऑफ similarity that which will be used in the above found triangles. So this is very easy, already आंसर यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. ये दोनों एंगल्स 90 डिग्री है, ओके, और ये भी 90 डिग्रीज है, ध्यान से देखो. एंड दिस इज एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट एंड दिस इज एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. दिस टू आर इक्वल.
Yes.
सो ये दोनों भी एंगल्स इक्वल हो जाएंगे. दिस इज क्लियर.
Yes.
Because the sum of these two angle is 90, the sum of these two angle is 90 and these two are equal to each other by the law of reflection. So angle 1 is also equals to angle 2. So by A similarity, these two angles are equal. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward the third question. What is the height of the tree? So उसके लिए क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Similarity वाला use करेंगे. So already we have seen that these two triangles are similar by A similarity. So their corresponding sides are proportional. So PQ निकालना है हम लोग को. RS दिया हुआ है 2 and QM is 2.8 and this is 1.2, right? तो RS जो 2 निकला हम लोग यहाँ शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं ऐसे. So ध्यान से देखो, 1.54 और 2.8 we can cancel it. We are getting 2 into 2 4. So the correct option is A. Right. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Now the next question, fourth one, if you want to calculate the distance of the mirror from the top of the tree, that means this distance, this one, okay, then which property will be used? Thales theorem, converse of Thales theorem, Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem.
Right. Pythagoras theorem, because we got already, this is 4 meter we got, okay, and now we need to find the hypotenuse, so definitely we'll use Pythagoras theorem, right? Now what is the distance between Rashmi and Gulmohar tree? So very easy question. What is the distance between Rashmi and Gulmohar tree?
4.2.
Right. 4.2, दोनों का ऐड करना है बस. 4.2 meter, right? So now we are moving toward the next case study question, number 6. A group of students to volunteer are working in making a safety board for school. They prepared one triangular safety board for their school with title School Ahead and drive slow in two parts of the triangular board as shown in this figure. And in this figure, DE is parallel to BC. Figure is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, first question. If AD is equals to 2 centimeter and BD is equals to 5 centimeter, then and AE is equals to 3 centimeter, then what is the value of EC? So as DE is parallel to BC, so these two triangles are similar. How? ये दोनों angles equal है, corresponding angles, and this angle is common to both the triangles, right? So this step is clear. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now AD upon AB is equals to AE upon AC upon AC, right? So now see, what is AD? 2.
2 centimeter.
What is AB? What is AB?
7 centimeter.
7 centimeter, right? And what is AE?
3 centimeter.
3 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, सो वेट, इससे अच्छा तो हम लोग वो निकाल सकते हैं, थेल्स थ्योरम यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट। एक काम करते हैं, थेल्स थ्योरम यूज कर रहे हैं, इसको मैं कट कर दे रहा हूँ, राइट। थेल्स थ्योरम AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, right, and this is 2 by 5 is equals to 3 by EC, राइट। 2 by 5 is equals to 3 by EC। हम लोग सिमिलर ट्राइंगल से भी कर सकते हैं, बट इससे ज़्यादा इजी लग रहा है मुझे। ओके, सो नाउ इफ़ यू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, EC को इधर लेके आ जाओ, 5 को इधर एंड 2 को इधर डाउन में, सो हम लोग को मिल जाएगा 15 by 2। EC is equals to 15 by 2 and the correct option is the first one. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now the next question, if AD is equals to 3 centimeter, AB is equals to 9 centimeter, BC is equals to 6 centimeter, then DE is equals to dash। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ये वाला यूज करेंगे, कौन सा? सिमिलर ट्राइंगल। सो सिमिलर ट्राइंगल यूज करेंगे तो AD by AB is equals to DE by BC आ जाएगा। Now the value of AD is 3, the value of AB is 9, DE निकालना है, BC is 6, substitute, so cross multiply, if you cross multiply 6 ऊपर आ जाएगा और नीचे से 3 है, तो D कितना होगा?
2 centimeter.
Right, 2 centimeter, and the correct option is the fourth one. Now the next question, if angle A is equals to 60 degree, this angle 60 degree, and angle ADE is equals to 50 degree, this angle is 50 degree, so what is angle C? So first you find angle, this angle, okay, otherwise what we can do, ये angle 50 जो है angle B और angle D equal होगा, corresponding angles। Now you can use the direct triangle ABC, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree। Now substitute all the values, 60 plus 50 plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, 60 plus 50 is 110, अगर subtract करेंगे तो what you will get?
70 degrees.
Right, so the correct option is the first one। Now we are moving toward the next question, which of the following is correct? First one, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC। मुझे तो फर्स्ट वाला ही करेक्ट दिख गया। ओके, सेकंड वाला भी देख लेते हैं। ADE is congruent, congruent नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है, क्योंकि एक छोटा एक बड़ा है। बोथ 1 and 2, ये भी गलत है क्योंकि सेकंड ही रॉन्ग हो गया। नन ऑफ दिस भी रॉन्ग है क्योंकि फर्स्ट वाला यहाँ पे करेक्ट था। ओके, वो तो ऑलरेडी प्रूफ कर चुके हैं हम लोग। So any doubt in D question?
No, sir.
Okay, now next, what is the ratio of area of triangle ADE to area of triangle ABC? So we know that the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides। So AD और AB corresponding sides हैं, right, और square भी है यहाँ पर। So the correct option is the first one। This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward the next question, case study question number 7। ये भी CBSE के क्वेश्चन बैंक में है और ये मैं पिछले साल बनाया था। Scale drawing of an object is the same shape at the object but a different size। The scale of a drawing is a comparison of a length used on a drawing to the length it represents। The scale is written as ratio। The ratio of the two corresponding sides in the similar figure is called scale factor। तो स्केल फैक्टर का क्या है? लेंथ इन इमेज अपॉन करस्पॉन्डिंग लेंथ इन ऑब्जेक्ट। इफ वन शेप can become another using revising, then the shapes are similar। Hence two shapes are similar when one can become the other after resize, flip or slide or turn। In the photograph below showing the side of a train engine, scale is 1:200, 1:200 scale is given। So now based on this data, एक मिनट और एक टुक है, this means that the length of 1 centimeter on the photograph, फोटोग्राफ में जो 1 सेंटीमीटर है, that corresponds to a length of 200 centimeter or 2 meter on the actual size actual engine। The scale can also be written as the ratio of two lengths। So now first question, the overall length of the engine in the photograph above including the couplings if the length of the model is 11 centimeter। Already 1 centimeter का दिया हुआ है लेंथ, ठीक है, that is 200 centimeter। So 11 centimeter का कितना होगा? 11 into 200। So 2200 centimeter. Okay, that is 22 meter. The correct option is the fourth one. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now the next one. What will affect the similarity of any two polygons? They are flipped horizontally, not affected. They are dilated by a scale factor, not affected. They are translated down, not affected. They are not the mirror image of one another. What will affect the similarity of any two polygons? So the correct answer is they are not the mirror image of one another, because they will not coincide, है ना? Next
Yes.
question. What is the actual width of the door if the width of the door in the photograph is 0.35 centimeter? Already it is given that 1 centimeter का 200 centimeter है. So 0.35 का कितना होगा? 0.35 into 200. That is 70 centimeter or 0.7 meter. And the correct option is the first one. Now the last D, if two similar triangles have a scale factor of 5:3, which statement regarding the two triangles is true? The ratio of perimeter is 5:1. Wrong, क्योंकि ratio of perimeter और ratio of sides same रहता है. Their altitude have a ratio 25:15. Okay. Next, their medians have a ratio 10:4. Their angle bisectors have a ratio 11:5. तो इसमें ये दोनों करेक्ट, ये दोनों भी रॉन्ग लग रहा है. सिर्फ मेरे को ये करेक्ट लग रहा है, क्योंकि इसमें जब सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो ये 5:3 आ रहा है. हाइट्स का जो ऑल्टीट्यूड का रेशियो है दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स, एंड पेरीमीटर का भी सेम होना चाहिए. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सेकंड वन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन. द लेंथ ऑफ AB in the given figure. We have to find this length. So first, these two triangles are similar, triangle ABC and triangle ADE by AA similarity. So their corresponding sides are similar, that is AB by AD is equals to BC by DE. So AB is X and AD is X plus 4. This is 3 and this is 6. Substitute कर दिए. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Now cross multiplication. If you cross multiply, you will get 2x is equals to x plus 4. फिर x को यहाँ शिफ्ट कर दोगे तो x is equals to 4 मिल जाएगा finally. So the correct option is the third one. Right? So now we are moving toward the next case study question number 8. If one of the residential colony of a city, there is a triangular park ABC is available. So this is the park. The resident welfare association of the colony wishes to divide this park into two parts of equal areas, one for planting trees and raising a lawn, and other for providing place for children park for playing activities. One of the members, Ram, suggested to draw a line segment XY parallel to AC. This is AC, na? XY parallel to AC for the same. Okay. So now based on this, few questions are there. Which is the correct similarity criteria is used for above triangles? Now see, this is parallel, so these two angles are equal. Even these two angles are also equal, corresponding angles. So ABC and XBY are similar by which criteria? And this is common.
AA similarity.
Right. AA is similarity. Now the next question, what is the ratio of areas of triangle ABC is to triangle XBY? So उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है कि ये दोनों एरिया इक्वल है, ठीक है? दिस टू एरियाज आर इक्वल, सो वी कैन राइट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC is 2 times of area of triangle XBY. Okay, this is given. So now the ratio of these two triangles is equals to 2 by 1, and the correct answer is 2:1. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now the next question, if angle BXY is 60 degree, what is the value of angle BAC?
60 degree.
Right, it is also 60 degree, corresponding angles. So correct option is the second one, that is B. Now we are moving toward the next question. If the ratio of areas of triangle BXY is to triangle ABC is 1:2, then XB is to AB is dash. So what we will do, first these two triangles are similar, okay. ये XBY होना चाहिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, XBY. The ratio of these two is 1:2, it is given, and the ratio of these two is AB square upon XB square. अगर इसको उल्टा लिखें तो देखो, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XBY, already we proved by AA similarity criteria. ट्रिपल A है लेकिन AA भी लिख सकते हैं. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XBY is equals to AB square upon XB square or whole square. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
And the ratio of this is given 2/1. ये 1:2 है, उसका रिवर्स ले रहे हैं हम लोग. So it is equals to 2/1. That means this is equals to 2/1. Now taking square root on both sides, so we'll get AB upon XB is equals to √2/1. So यहाँ पे रेशियो निकालना है XB by AB, इसको रेसिप्रोकल ले लो. So we'll get 1 upon √2, and the correct answer is D. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward the next question. If the area of triangle AXY, right, this one, is 128 meters square, then what will be the area of triangle CXY? See, CXY or AXY. एक थ्योरम पढ़े हो इन क्लास 9th में, बचपन में एक थ्योरम पढ़े हो, ट्राइंगल्स ऑन द सेम बेस बिटवीन द सेम पैरेलल्स आर इक्वल इन एरिया. हालांकि वो चैप्टर डिलीट हो गया था, बट मैंने करवाया था. दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर इक्वल, राइट. सो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल CXY?
128
Right, 128 meters square, and the correct option is A. Right, now we are moving toward the next question, question number 9. Shweta went to a beach with her uncle. From a point A, where Shweta was standing, a ship and a lighthouse come in a straight line as shown in figure, like this one. This is a straight line. Okay, now based on this situation, few questions are there. Which similarity criteria can be seen in this case if ship and light are considered as a straight line? देखो यहाँ पर ये straight line मैं ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. चलो ठीक है, तो ये 90 डिग्री है, this is also 90 degree, and this angle is common to both the triangles. So देखो ध्यान से, angle A is equals to angle A, angle B is equals to angle D, corresponding angles or each angle is 90 degree. So these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next question, the distance between Shweta and the ship is twice as much as the height of the ship. What is the height of the ship? Right? And that is AB is given. See, AB is given. AB is the distance from the Shweta and ship, and this distance is twice of BC. Statement clear है?
Yes, sir.
That is AB is equals to 2 times BC, and the value of AB is given. So BC will be AB by 2, that is 20 by 2, so 10 meter, and the correct option is B. Right? So now we are moving toward question number 3rd. If the distance of Shweta from the lighthouse is 12 times the height of the ship, then the ratio of the heights of the ship and the lighthouse is dash. So AD is equals to distance of Shweta and lighthouse is AD, and AD is 12 times the height of the ship, right? 12 times BC, height of the ship मतलब BC, right? So already we got the value of BC, 10 मिला था, तो 12 into 10 120 मीटर हो जाएगा. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Now we have to find the ratio of the heights of ship and the lighthouse. मतलब इन दोनों का रेशियो निकालना है. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सिमिलर ट्रायंगल का प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे. These two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides are proportional. So AB upon AD is equals to BC upon DE. AB upon AD AB is 20 and AD we got 120. ठीक है, 20 upon 120, 1/6. So DE upon BC निकालना है, नहीं शिप पहले आएगा, ठीक है, BC upon DE निकालो, 1:6 is the answer. So C bit is the correct answer. This is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Fourth, what is the ratio of the distance between Shweta and top of ship, मतलब AC, ठीक है, to the distance between the top of the ship and the lighthouse, मतलब CE. So AC upon CE we have to find. ये पता चल गया कौन सा रेशियो निकालना है? AC upon CE, right? So let us start with the same similar triangle. The two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides are proportional. So AB upon AD is equals to AC upon AE, पूरा full. AB is 20 and AD is 120. So ये हो जाएगा 1/6. ओके, सो पहले हम लोग AE को लिख लेंगे क्योंकि वो बड़ा है, ऊपर लिख लेंगे. Now we will subtract 1 from both sides. Now take LCM. So if you take LCM, you will get AE minus AC upon AC and is equals to 5. This step is clear, this one.
Yes, sir.
What you will get AE minus AC?
CE.
CE, right. So
CE by AC.
right, CE by AC is equals to 5. तो हम लोग को AC by CE निकालना है, इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे, that is 1/5. So correct answer is 1:5. That is A bit. Any doubt in this question?
Option E.
No, sir.
Right. So the next question, what is the height of the lighthouse? DE. We have to find DE. So just now we got that BC upon DE is equals to 1/6. ये मिला था हम लोग को. And BC also we know that it is 10. 10. Now we have to cross multiply. 6 into 10, 60 meter. And the correct
60
answer
meters.
is B.
Option B.
Right. So now we are moving to the last question of today's session, and this is the last question of triangles. After completing all the chapters of case study questions, I will start once again another round for triangles. Okay? क्योंकि triangles में बहुत सारे questions बनते हैं. Triangles, coordinate geometry, like, okay. So one triangular agricultural land is there, and adjacent to it one triangular pond is there. So this blue color is pond. Okay, this one. The figure of the same is shown below, in which AB is parallel to CD and DE is parallel to CA. तो ये जो arrow mark दिख रहा है, that is. Triangles are said to be similar if they are of the same shape. Also, the corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Based on the above information and given below figure, answer the following question. So now we are moving toward the first question. Which similarity criteria has been used in the given figure? So first, C, angle ABC. These two angles are equal. Why?
Alternate interior.
Right, very good. Alternate interior angles. Now these two angles are also equal. This one and this one. Why? Same reason.
Alternate interior.
Right. So by which criteria these two are similar?
A similar.
Right,
Similarity.
A similarity, because these two angles are equal by alternate interior angles. So the correct option is B. Now in the next question, in the given similar triangles, angle ABC is equals to dash. Already we have written now, just now. ABC, ये वाला एंगल किस एंगल के बराबर है?
Angle DCE.
Yes, angle DCE. And the correct option is C. This one. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. The value of x is dash. यहाँ पे figure में देखो x. So how we have to find? We have to take the ratio of the corresponding sides. So the two triangles are similar. Just now we have proved by A similarity. So ध्यान से देखो, AB का corresponding side CD होगा. Okay, these two. And DE का जो corresponding side है वो AC होगा. So what we are going to get, AB upon CD is equals to AC upon DE. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now AB is given 20, CD is given 14 और AC निकालना है X and DE is 11.2. Substitute. Now 11.2 we will shift here. So we'll get X is equals to 20 by 14 into 11.2. Right? So 14 को हम लोग इससे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 0.8 क्योंकि 14 into 8 होता है 112. So 20 into 0.8 will get 16 centimeter. And the correct option is centimeter नहीं meter है ये. This is meter. Correct option is A. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
So now we are moving toward the next question. If perimeter of triangle ABC is 50 centimeter, 50 meter, not centimeter, then CE is equals to dash. Question clear? Perimeter of triangle ABC is given 50 meter. So what will be BC? BC कितना होगा? ये तो निकल गया 16. This is 16 meter, and this will be 14 meter है ना? 14 मीटर. BC not EC. हम लोग को अब यहाँ पर अगेन सिमिलरिटी वाला यूज करना है. So first we have to find BC that we got already 14 meter. Now the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So AB का corresponding side CD है और BC का corresponding side है EC, that is CE. So this ratio is clear.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
20 upon 14 and this is 14 upon CE. ठीक है, तो ध्यान से देखो CE यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, 14 यहाँ पर आएगा and 20 also will come over here, right? So 14 इसको और कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग by 10. So 98 by 10 that means 9.8 meter. Okay, this is meter है ना, 9.8 meter. So the correct option is D. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving toward the last question. The length of BE is equals to BE. ये वाला part निकालना है. So BC already we got 14 and this CE we got 9.8. So what will be BE? We have to
4.2.
subtract. Right, very good. 4.2 meter. Okay, फिर से सेंटीमीटर आ गया. So 4.2 meter means the correct option is B. Okay, so this is the last question of this triangle case study based questions. Now we'll see in the next session we'll see the coordinate geometry case study based question. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.